What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Allan Wade back again with another video. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new content like this, guys. And yes, we are going to be unboxing my new Gucci bag. Got this as a computer bag, something a little bit more stylish for myself. I want to treat myself because I've been doing so good with the business lately. So without further ado, let's jump into it. When you buy this bag, or I don't know, this is my first Gucci bag, but when you buy this bag, you get a big old Gucci container, a big old Gucci bag rather. Very nice presentation, and then the bag has actually a little tie at the top where you gotta like untie it. So let's just go ahead and take this knot out right here so we can get to the meat and potatoes of everything. All right, so I got this specific bag at the King of Prussia Mall in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And like I said, it was a treat to myself because I always wanted one of these things and could never afford it, but now I can afford one. So I thought I'd treat myself. All right, so here we go. Nice Gucci bag, nice box for your bag. The bow right here is like a solid cloth. It has the Gucci insignia. It says Gucci, Gucci, Gucci all over this. You could probably even wear this. This is dope. You could probably even wear this as something. I don't know what you'll wear it for, but it's Gucci, Gucci, Gucci all over the rope right there, all over the strap. So let us open this up and see what's inside, shall we? Definitely gonna save that. And this slides out. Oh no, it flips open like this. So flip it open. And then you have your thing. Where's my receipt? They said my receipt was in here, but I do not see my receipt, but it's okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, my receipt's in here. Cool, they gave you a nice little card. Put your receipt in a nice little card, nice and neat for you. That's dope. All right, put this to the side, this bag right here, put the receipt down here, and let us see the bag itself. All right, close up this big old Gucci box. Pretty dope, I like it. I think it's very, very unlike anything. When you spend a lot of money on stuff, personally, you should get something like that. All right, so let's jump into the bag. So it's in a little silk pouch like they like to do, the tie thing. It's the material I guess women use for their hair bonnets. It's really dope. Now let's open this up in the inside, and this right here is the Gucci Ophidia, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Gucci Ophidia bag. I wanted this, I liked it a lot, and I thought it looked good, and I thought it matched my personality and my style. So I decided to go with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the padding. Take the padding out. Boom. So you got a big pouch right here, so you can put some stuff in there. You know, this is gonna be my computer bag, like I said, so I guess I could put my computer charger, maybe some SD cards and some lenses and stuff like that, or no, it depends on what I'm carrying. It's just my computer. I'm just gonna put, like, I put a hard drive in here with some SD cards, whatever, you know, some writing material, pencil pouch, pen pouch, something like that. And then you have the main compartment in here. This is, take the stuffing out of it. Stuff the crap out of this. All right, so in the main compartment, you see that you do not have an actual computer pouch part. You have a zipper back here, and the pocket is pretty deep. In here you got some material, you got the control number, Gucci responsibility, you got all this stuff. Interesting. All this literature, that's gonna live down there. I'm gonna leave it down here inside the bag. You got this little Gucci emblem thing right here. Pouch. You have two little sleeves right here on the side. Two little pocket sleeves, and then you have your main area where you store your stuff. Put my computer in there. And down here I can feel that the lining of the bag, they have some type of metal or some type of hard plastic to help the bag keep its form, which is interesting. Never felt that before in any bag. But really fast, let's just take a look around the bag and just appreciate the bag. All right, so you see the front of the bag right here. This is how you see it if you were wearing it. Has a leather strap at the top with the gold zippers. Zipper has the Gucci on there. You can flip around to the back. You see the straps have the G's on there. That's really, really nice touch. Really nice touch. And the buckles, you get these brass buckles, these brass/gold buckles, look really good, really high class, really good finish. And all the trim, all the sewn edges, little leather tab right here on the edges of each strap. It's just not like dangling like normally you would see on a regular JanSport or something like that. But just overall, a well put together bag. I like it a lot. I can't wait to rock it. Got the G's with the stripes going down the middle, G's all over it. This is the Ophidia bag. After taxes and stuff, you end up paying $2,003.40 was the total price of the bag to walk out of the store with. $2,003.40. All right, so it's my 15-inch MacBook Pro. Fits in here perfectly. Size is perfect. It's like they made this part right here. It's almost like it was made to go in there. Like it fits perfectly. My 15-inch MacBook Pro right here. I'm probably gonna put the padding in here so it doesn't jostle around. The padding that came inside the bag, I'll probably keep two of them and keep them in here so it doesn't like bounce around inside of there or something. So yeah, love the bag. Yeah, if you want to rock something like this, make sure you can afford it. First of all, if you're gonna get it, you should be able to pay cash, or I didn't pay cash. I personally put stuff on credit cards so that I can take advantage of the points, and when it hits the credit card, I just pay it right off so that I never accrue any interest. That's the way I advise you guys to shop. So don't go purchasing anything like this if you, one, can't afford it, can't afford several of them, don't have the cash in the bank to pay for it. Don't put stuff on credit and don't pay it off. I don't advise those habits. So like I said, I waited quite a long time till my business was doing good, till I treated myself to something nice, something that, you know, that I feel good and feel a little bit established wearing. You're gonna feel real classy wearing this thing. You're gonna get a lot of stares. It attracts a lot of attention. High quality bag. Not gonna wear it anywhere. Not gonna wear it everywhere. Depending on where I go will determine if I wear it or not. Going through the airport, this is something nice to carry on a travel on trip. Got it on your back, got your computer in there. It's a great carry on for your laptop, especially when you're doing big business on your laptop, editing videos and things of that nature. Keeping track of your files and stuff like this. This is a very, very, very nice bag. By far the nicest bag I've had. I wanted to get the Louis Vuitton Josh bag, but the Josh bag was too small to fit my computer. I mean, my computer would fit inside of it, but I'd have to stretch the leather. And when you're paying that much money, I do not want to stretch the leather of my bag. So I decided to go with the Louis Vuitton Dean bag, but they didn't have any in stock and it's totally out of stock. So when they get that back in stock, I'll most likely get it and I'll do a review for you guys so you guys could check that bag out too. So make sure you subscribed. And I'm actually going to get a backup bag to this that I can wear on regular occasions, like on a daily, and that's going to be the Coach bag. It's significantly less than these bags. I think it's about, after taxes and everything, about $500. But the Louis Vuitton Dean bag is going to be about maybe like another $2,000. But this bag right here is going to be my one of my favorite bags that I have. I have a lot of other overnight bags and things of that nature. That's one of the things I like to do. So I just want to step it up a little bit and, you know, buy a piece that is going to last me a long time and makes a little statement. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about my my Gucci Ophidia bag. I love it a lot so far. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. I like the statement that it's gonna make when I enter the room or when I walk through the airport with this thing on. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. It's your boy. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Once again, I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.